In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on the App Store. Whether you're looking to discover new apps or find a specific one, this process is designed to be straightforward and convenient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the App Store on your device. If you're unsure where to find it, look for the iconic blue icon with a white A on it. Once you tap to open, you'll land on the Today page, which showcases a variety of new, popular, and exciting content. However, our focus will be on pinpointing the exact apps you want. So let's move on to the next step. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a row of tabs. Go ahead and tap the search tab situated on the far right. This will direct you to a new screen dedicated solely to aiding your quest for apps. Here you'll be equipped with tools to help you navigate the vast sea of applications available at your fingertips. Next, direct your attention to the search bar at the very top of the screen. Give it a tap. This action will activate the keyboard and allow you to enter the name of the app or keyword you're searching for. If you're unsure of a specific app name, typing in a relevant keyword can bring up a variety of options, enabling you to explore and discover similar apps that may catch your interest. Now that you're set to search, type in the app name or keyword. Remember, the more accurate and specific you are with your search terms, the better your results will be. Whether it's the hottest new game everyone's talking about, an essential productivity tool, or a niche app for a particular hobby, precise searching aids in quick location. With your term entered, tap search on your keyboard. Your device will now scour the App Store's vast database for all relevant matches. This should only take a moment, and soon enough you'll be greeted with a list of results that correspond to your search criteria. This brings us to the final steps. Browsing through these results to locate the app that best suits your needs. Take your time scanning the options. Each app listing includes helpful details such as the app name, icon, developer information, and user ratings, giving you at-a-glance insights. Once you identify the app you wish to explore further or download, tap on it to access the detailed app page. Here you'll find additional information, screenshots, and user reviews to help make your decision. And there you have it, your tailored guide to navigating and effectively utilizing the App Store search functionality. Happy app hunting!